Welcome to a video sharing new investment opportunities in the market. Tariffs that triggered on I think 2nd or 3rd of April has put the whole global markets into the bottom. After we reached the bottom, we have kind of based out and turned positive. Something surprise happened in the last 2 weeks is India is the first country to recover all the losses that we generated in 2025. That is, what was the price of market in January 3rd of 2025, we have gone past above that levels in this month. So, we have recovered all the drop and also become positive. This has triggered buying opportunities in the market in some segments like large cap and flexi caps. Not the whole market is good, some places where it is attractive to buy. So, what changed in the market and how much of upside we can expect if we invest in this market now? The tariff shock that pushed the markets down hit the support level, that is the base got hit, and from there market took a bounce, and that is what we are seeing now. This change after the price started moving up significantly in the last 2 weeks has made a sentiment shift also in the market. March quarter results for companies have started coming out. Couple of stocks, handful of stocks have given results. Among them, it's not been great. Technology companies are either flat or negative. That is mirroring their pressure that they are going through in their main market, that is Americas. While the banking sector, couple of banks, big banks that have come out with results have come out good. And this is not a surprise because fund managers and industry community have been talking about this finance space looking good for more than 1.5 years time. This tariff just preempted that and triggered it to happen faster. After a very long gap, banking and finance sector has started doing well. This tariff war, which brought huge pressure to the export facing businesses, that is mostly technology and pharma businesses, the opposite became very attractive. That is, domestic businesses started becoming very attractive for a country like India, which has huge population. Our export is minuscule compared to domestic. So, this domestic business push has made our expectation that private companies will start expanding their facilities, invest into new factories and businesses, and when they start investing, they are going to borrow from the banks, and that is why banking business is going to look good. This is all early stage because just handful of companies have published results. As more and more companies come out with the result, if profit numbers are good, or based on the numbers, market will take its direction. If it's bad, then obviously it will take a turn down. So, along with this result season showing some uptick in the banking and finance space, the foreign money that was moving out of India for more than 1.5 years has started coming in. In the last 2 weeks, they have brought huge money into the market. That is also changed the sentiment and turned the market up. So, how much upside is possible if we buy now? From the September 2024 peak that we had, from September only we started correcting. Downside move, it went up to 15%, market dropped 15% from September peak. Now, from that bottom, we have covered up 5%, that is 15% drop, and we have covered up 5%. There is a high chance if things go well, results come out good, market can reach the previous peak, that is another 10%, and this can happen over 8 to 10 months time. In case results continue to be very good, there is a high possibility it can break the previous peak also. Probably this will not happen with the March quarter result, maybe June, September quarter results should bring in that fill-ups, which is likely because this is the third quarter that we are having from the peak. Generally 8 to 12 months to 15 months time market will reverse. So, we are in from September, if we take 3 plus 4, 7 months. So, next month is going to be the 8th month. Maybe if this is going to trigger up, probably we will see this upside stay for at least 9 to 10 months. In case if it is going to falter, that is results that is going to come up in the subsequent days are negative, then what is going to happen? So, whatever this 5% we went up can turn down. So, obviously, if it turns down, we have to exit booking a loss. So, currently 5% is the risk, potential for gain is 10%. That is the opportunity that we have in the market now, where we can invest. As I said, only the finance sector is doing well. Finance contributes 40% of any economy globally. In India also it is between 35 to 40%. And this segment will have all the big names like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Bajaj Finance, big NBFCs, everybody will be there in this. And when manufacturing is likely to trigger, bigger companies like FMCG businesses also will be there in this space. So, mostly large caps and higher large cap exposure having flexi caps. These are the two spaces, and specifically finance and banking sector is the place where we can invest. There are two ways where we can take exposure in the market now. One is by bringing in new money. The other one, for those who have participated in the profit booking that we did in October, December in mid and small cap, where we booked some profit from mid and small cap and moved to debt and large cap. Those money that we have kept in debt can be moved to schemes in the large cap space. We have moved out from mid and small cap. That money is there in debt funds now for the past 3-4 months, where we have also made some gains there when the market dropped. So, though we are buying at the almost the same price where we exited, but we have exited mid and small cap where the drop was around 20+%. We are buying large cap now. Those who participated in that activity, for them we will send a mail indicating these are the schemes which we have moved out in December, where we have parked now. From here, these are the options available to invest in the current situation. If you give your confirmation and your opinion, we can place the transactions and initiate it for you. So, we will be sending a mail, and this is going to be a very, very fast activity, because when FII money is coming into the market, they will trigger it very, very fast. Already last week also we saw big upside. So, only 3 or 4 days time we will have, and money moving from debt to equity itself will take 3 days. So, by Monday, Tuesday we have to initiate the transaction. So, we should be very fast. Thank you.